Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very exciting topic to discuss: how to get a resident permit in Seychelles. Seychelles, with its pristine beaches, lush landscapes, and vibrant culture, is not just a paradise for tourists, but also a dream destination for those looking to call this beautiful archipelago their home. Whether you're thinking about moving for work, investment, or simply to enjoy the serene beauty of the islands, getting a resident permit is your first step towards making this dream a reality. In this video, we'll guide you through the entire process, from understanding the eligibility criteria to submitting your application and everything in between. So, whether you're a professional, an entrepreneur, or someone looking to retire in paradise, stay tuned as we dive into the essentials of securing your residency in Seychelles. Let's get started. A resident permit may be granted to a person who is not a prohibited immigrant, has a family or domestic connection with Seychelles, has made or will make special contribution to the economic, social, or cultural life of Seychelles. A residence permit does not allow the holder to be gainfully occupied in Seychelles. Applicant will be required to produce documentary evidence of his/her financial status, including banker's confirmation. Conditions of the permit. The holder of a residence permit must, during the validity of the permit, reside in Seychelles for at least 5 days during each 12 months of the terms of the permit. The permit holder shall provide a bank guarantee to the chief immigration officer of not less than 20,000 Seychelles rupees and allow the chief immigration officer to draw money required to meet expenditure incurred by the government in connection with care, treatment, maintenance within or removal from Seychelles of the permit holder and his/her dependents. The holder of the permit shall not be entitled to free medical service in Seychelles or to any Social Security benefit under the Social Security Act 1987 or other similar legislation. During the term of the residence permit, the permit holder must explore opportunities for contributing to the economic, social, or cultural life of Seychelles. A gainful occupation permit is required for a permit holder who wishes to set up a business. There is a fee of 1,000 Seychelles rupees for processing of the application. The permit fee is 150,000 rupees for the main applicant for 5 years and 75,000 rupees for the spouse, if applied at the same time. Endorsement of each child on a permit is 25,000 rupees. And that wraps up our comprehensive guide on how to get a resident permit in Seychelles. We've walked through the key steps, from understanding the different types of permits available, to navigating the application process and what to expect along the way. Seychelles offers a unique opportunity to live in one of the most beautiful places on Earth, and we hope this video has provided you with the clarity and direction needed to start your journey towards calling Seychelles home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful guides and tips. Have any questions or experiences you'd like to share about moving to Seychelles? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, safe travels and best of luck on your residency journey in Seychelles.